Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam error code E84. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to reset our Steam password. To do this, open up Chrome or any browser you are using it. Search for Steam website and click on the Steam powered website. Click on the login option and scroll down. Help icon, sign in, click on it. Click on I forgot my Steam password and name or password, click on it. And in here we need to write the email addresses, phone number linked to our account. After typing it, click on I am not a robot and click on search and send a confirmation to Steam mobile app will be option there. Click on it and click a confirm in our Steam mobile app, and after clicking it you can able to reset your password guys. And now you can reset your password. After doing it, hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. Check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. For that, close out of here, and the second solution is to delete the temporary files and cache files in our computer. Right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type temp, search for it, click on OK. Here we get temporary files. You just need to control plus A, select all files and select, right click on it and select delete guys. Click on do this for all current items and click on skip guys. After deleting it, click close out of here and again right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type %temp, click on OK. In here you just need to click on anything over here and press Ctrl plus A to select all and right click on it and select delete guys. Click on it, do this for all current items, click on skip. After doing it, close out of here and empty the recycle bin as well. After doing this step, now open the Steam and check your problem is resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is set time automatically. For that, right click on the date and time over here, right click on it and you just need to select adjust date and time. In here you just need to turn on the set time automatically, turn it on and scroll down and sync now, click on it. After doing it, close out of here and check your problem has been resolved or not guys. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Fourth solution is to add a launch parameter. To do this, right click on the Steam over here, select properties. In target you just need to type here guys space minus login, login, leave one more space and minus again and no react login, exactly how you see in my screen. Space minus login, space minus no react login, click apply and OK. After doing this, now open and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. But if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the fifth solution guys. For fifth solution is to restart our computer. This seems like a simple process. It actually a very effective solution guys, because the services cause problem running in the background of our computer can work properly after the restart. Make sure you restarted your PC and hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.